Here is a newly installed Rainer opener, or Rainer door. It's chain up right now. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Pretty smooth for such a big door.